Part 2, Acrygel application. So after you've gone in with your primer, I'm using the primer from Jellifique, which is the system that I'm actually going to be applying today. And I find it works really, really well. Occasionally, if I'm having problems with retention, I do like to use Young Nails Protein Bond, but that's not necessary in this case. Then I'm going to go in, once I've done my dehydration primer and everything, I'm going to go in with a base coat. I like to use a base coat that is a soak-off one from Jellifique. Now this is their microcrystal base coat, I believe. Now the reason I do this is because this particular Acrygel is a file off, it's not a soak off, but I find if I put it on this, it gives a bit of extra, if I put it on underneath my Acrygel, it gives a bit of extra flexibility, but it also means that I can actually, I can soak it off if I can file right back down to that thin clear layer. Then I go in with some Acrygel, and I'm just using the brush from Leanne Mitchell here, which I really, really like. And I just scoop a tiny little amount on there, and then I will use some alcohol, just 70% alcohol on that brush, and I will just go in and shape that. So you'll see that I'm trying to get it neat into the cuticle. I'm making sure I'm checking my brush isn't getting too sticky as I'm going along as well, and I'm just blending that down. Acrygel is a really, really good option if you are struggling with acrylic application as well, and it's super strong. My clients had these, I mean, these are natural nails now, and they are absolutely beautiful. There's not a spot of lifting, it's just brilliant. I'm still an acrylic girly at heart, but I love this because I do mobile as well. There's no smell to it. Once I've done all of this, I do like to obviously file it and shape it and buff it, but so I'm going in with the 5-in-1 bit from Willow Academy. It's a mini one, it's perfect for shorter nails like this. And if you are enjoying this video, please do make sure you drop us a like and a follow, because we're dropping new content all the time. I like to go round the cuticle, and then I'll go side to side, and I'll just reduce any bulk, and then I'll usually go in after that, and I will hand file just because I'm a bit of a control freak when it comes to my shaping. Once I've done that, I'll cleanse it, and this is the final look after I've applied gel polish. I hope that helps. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comments.